guys, welcome to here. So today I found something crazy, and I want to show it to you guys. So yeah, enjoy on this tiny thing.
Hey everybody, what is up? Fizzy, orange juice, and chocolate pancake. So today we're at Fairview Mall. There's a Skechers shop, and it has a gumball machine. Let's say we hacked it. Well, the gumball machine is broken, so you just turn the crank, and like all of it just comes out. And we're chewing one right now. And how much do we have in our pockets? I have 8. I have 8, so together that's 16. We have 16 gumballs. And 2 in our mouth. So it's gotta be you. Yeah. We have 1 in our mouth. Yeah. 1 me, 1 you. Oh, right. Okay, so we're gonna show you how it works. You wanna hold the camera? Okay. Come with us. So you can see the machine. Show the machine. There's the machine and all this glory. Wait, that's normal. Whoa, look at this. Okay, go ahead, go. Wow. So watch me. That's 2. So 1 you, 1 me. Take that. Perfect. Now we each have like 9. I'm gonna be camping here. Yeah. Do that. So now we each have 10 in our pockets, I think. Wait. Let me count. Oh, let's show them. Yeah, okay. Wait, let me pause you here. Okay, so guys, we're at the store now. And look at my lap. Count them, baby. It's 10. 1, 2. So yeah, look and count. And you. Yeah. Say number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Down there. And 1 in our mouth. We each have 11. So what's 11 plus 11? 22. We have 22 gumbos. So thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Like, subscribe to the video, and bye.
So yeah, that was that. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Like, subscribe to the video, and give this video a thumbs up. It's like zoomed in like crazy. Thumbs up, and bye.